Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can easily and quickly see the browsing history on your Facebook. Friends, please write your comments, make sure to put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. And let's get to our topic. Please open the Facebook application on your phone. After which, go to the video section. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the image of the person, and then please click on the word History. This will take you to the history of video views on your Facebook, and you can click on any video to watch it again. Also, if you click on the three dots next to the video, you can save it here. You can also add it to your page, or you can share a video that you've watched before. That's it, folks. This is how you can quickly view your Facebook browsing history. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Take care.